Hey guys, Bill Dow here. It is 1/6/2021 and this is day 9 of the life of the PMO Manager. My name is Bill Dow. Thank you guys all for joining today. I am super excited. I have got a great day. I got some announcements too. So start of the day at 8 a.m. we started looking at Tableau reports, Power BI reports around governance and really grabbing a great governance story. Then I had numerous back-to-back meetings. We had tremendous amount of meetings on just PMO related one-on-ones, PMO related topics, project related topics, lots of one-on-ones discussions. But really my two announcements that I'm super excited about it is I am producing an advanced project management series of classes. So risk management, change management, I'm really excited about this. So I have had my PMP for 20 years. I think the PMP certification is awesome, but I think once you get that PMP certification, it doesn't necessarily mean you can knock projects out of the park. And so I've done a lot of research and I said, you know, what do I expect out of my project managers? And what did I do over 30 years of managing projects and being involved in project management? What did I do around risk and issues and lessons learned and communication? So I'm developing a course, basically, or a series of classes around advanced project management, and I'm really excited about that. I'm also starting in 2021 here, and I've done this for a while, but I'm restarting, and I'll put the link where you guys can see the information both on my Facebook page, Dow Publishing LLC, or my PMO and Project Management Experts group on Facebook. I'll put the link, but on Saturdays at 9 o'clock, 9 to 10 a.m. PST, so Seattle time, I'm actually going live and I'm going to host a call and I'm going to have anyone who wants to join that call be able to ask me questions. So I'll put the information down. You guys, I'll have to send you the link and how to get in, but I'm super excited about that. That's going to be my Saturday sessions. I used to do a ton of Saturday sessions. I'm firing them back up again. They were always well attended, and so I'm hoping to see you guys there. I'll put all the links and all the information down below. Thank you. I'll see you online. Talk to you soon. Bye.